Hello there. So, this question is a very interesting question and you should give it a try. You can pause the video and try this question. Believe me, it's very interesting question. Here the question says find the area of the blue region, which you can see here. We need to find the area of this portion when the information which is given to us is that the area of this rectangle is 60 centimeter square and the radius of this quadrant part is 13 centimeters. Actually it is a quadrant, which is, you can say, 1/4 of the circle, right? Because you can see the perpendicular is here, the angle total is 90 degrees. In order to calculate the blue region, what we need to do? Okay, so for this part I will consider that, let's say, this side lengths of the rectangle are x and y. Okay, so let's say this is x units and this is y unit. So I'm considering that OC is y and AOA is x units. As we know that the area of a rectangle is given by x times y, right? Length into breadth. So from here I can say xy is equal to 60. Also, I need to find the area of this blue region. In order to get that, what I'm going to do is, the process is that first I will try to calculate this part. I will join the diagonal OB right here, and using this, first I will try to calculate the side lengths of the rectangle. Once I get the side lengths of the rectangle, then I will find this angle theta, and based on that angle theta I will calculate the area of this complete sector, and from that complete sector area of this OBDO I will subtract the area of triangle OBC, and hence that will be our required answer, right? So what we need to do, we are given that if I join OB, then I can use the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle OBC, right? So I can say that x squared plus y squared is equal to 13 squared. These are the informations that we have, and I am also writing what we need to calculate here. Okay, so let us start solving this question. As I mentioned, this I will join this OB diagonal, and I considered this OA length as x units and OC length as y unit. From there, area is given as 60, so I have xy is equal to 60. Also, using the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle OBC, if I use the Pythagoras theorem, I can say x squared plus y squared is equal to 13 squared, right? Okay, now I need to calculate the values of x and y. So several ways are there to calculate those x and y. It's totally up to you which one you want to use. I'm giving you a very easy method. I will use the identities x plus y whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, and also we know x minus y whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. Okay, just plug in the x squared plus y squared in these two identities. What we get here, I will have x plus y whole squared is equal to 169 plus 2 times 60, which is 120, right? In the second part, I have x minus y whole squared is equal to 169 minus 120. So from the first equation, I have x plus y whole squared is equal to 289, and here x minus y whole squared is equal to 49. So as you know, x and y are side lengths, so they are positive, right? So x plus y is equal to 17 is the only possibility, not the negative 17, because you are taking the sum of the side lengths. Okay, so the square root of 289 is what? 17. So I'm writing it here. Also, x minus y is equal to square root of 49, which gives you plus 7 again this time. because I'm considering that x is greater than y. Okay, I'm considering the larger side is x. Now, next part, from these two equations, I have x plus y is equal to 17 and x minus y is equal to 7. If I add these, let's say this is third, this is fourth. If I add these, I will get 2x. On adding, 2x is equal to 24. From here, I get x is equal to 12 units. Also, if I subtract 3 and 4, I will get 2y is equal to 10. From there, I got y is equal to 5. Okay, that's great. It means we got the values of x and y now. Now, once I have the values of x and y, it means I know the side lengths of this rectangle. This side length is 12 units and this side length is now 5 units. And what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. I can easily calculate that part also. What I need now? I need the area of the complete sector, where first I need to calculate this angle. Okay, let's say this angle is theta. In the triangle OBC, I will use the sine theta. I have sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? That side opposite to it is called perpendicular, or you can say opposite side upon hypotenuse. So that gives 12 over 13, right? So I can use the scientific calculator or approximate the value of angle theta, which comes out from here. Approximately it will be 67.38 degrees, 38 degrees, right? It is approximate value. Now, using this angle, I will try to calculate the area of the arc OBDO, area of the arc OBDO, and subtract the area of triangle OBC from it to get our required solution, required area. Now, area of OBDO, I will use, as you know, area of the sector is given by pi r square theta upon 360 degree, right? So this gives us pi, what is our radius is already given to us, 13. Pi r square theta, which we already calculated, comes out as 67.38 divided by 360. All the values are known to us, just need to calculate this numerical value, minus area of triangle OBC, which is half into, see, in this triangle OBC, as you can see, the area is half into base into height, which comes out as half into 5 into 12, or you can also take the half of the area of the rectangle, 60 half, right? So that gives us 30 units. So from here I get the value comes out as 99.372 minus 30. It's approximately, or you can say the area, required area, comes out as 69.372, which is the approximate area for our question. And that's our answer. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this, and if you have any other question, you can ask me anytime. You can write down your question in the comment box, or you can follow us on the Telegram Creatologics. You can ask for any query to this WhatsApp number given to you. If you want one-on-one session, group session, help on chat, if you want homework assistant, doubt clearing sessions, or if you have any assignment or project to do, feel free to contact us for any test and exam preparation. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next part. Keep watching, keep learning.